at naputol ang video ko. Hindi ko nakuha ang kanyang reaction. Anyways, please, there you go. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to her channel. I want to sleep. Pero may office pa ko 8. Currently, it's 6:30. Alright, bye-bye.
Today is my birthday, and I'm alone. It's also brown out. My family could not be with me because my birthday is also a COVID day. But with me are my dogs. I know that they will never leave me. Here is Rouse. Here is Ratsky, Star, Ping, Titil. They will never leave me. And because of this, I'm going to render them a song. Kinilig-kilig. It's only a portion. Mga mata nyo'y nagsasalita ha. Walang iwanan, walang iwanan. Laging maghihintay. Laging magmamahal, magmamahal. Kaya, kinilig-kilig, kinilig-kilig, kinilig-kilig ang puso. Kinilig-kilig, kinilig-kilig, kinilig-kilig ang puso. Yay! See? They will never leave me. I know that they will never leave me. So I'm going to render them a song. Kinilig-kilig, titil. Mga mata nyo'y nagsasalita ha. Walang iwanan, walang iwanan. Laging maghihintay. Laging magmamahal, magmamahal. Kaya, kinilig-kilig, kinilig-kilig, kinilig-kilig ang puso. Kinilig-kilig, kinilig-kilig, kinilig-kilig ang puso. Yay!
Hello, Nanay! Happy birthday! Alright, syempre, ako niya greeting, so dapat ako ang pinakauna nga mag-greet sa imo ng happy birthday! Te, kamusta ka na da? Miss mo man ako? Mwah, 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 mwah. Kaya I miss you so much. I gotta be home there on Saturday, on Friday night, or I don't know kung makapuli ko, wala ko balo. And there you go, 60 ka na! Damo nag-abang mo maging vlogger, maging senior vlogger. So excited naman ako, mega! Hindi ko yan mag-edit sa imong video. Excited ako magtudlosin mo paano mag-edit sa imong videos para maka-upload ka na senior vlogger. Kay balaan ko ganyan mo taganambak ko, damo naghulat sa imo, and there you go. You know, biskan na rare ko naghabal sa imo, but I know that you know that I love you so much. Like, super duper love. So, yeah, enjoy your day. Enjoy your night. Siyempre, kay gabi nagsubong. I hope you enjoyed your day, kagina. And, I'll see you on Saturday kay party kita. Party sa balay. I'll try to cook something for you. I don't know if I could cook, but yeah. Alright, there you go. I'll see you soon. And let's go party. And here are the other, tawag mo ni? Other people ang invite ko sa imong party for tonight before your day ends. Bye! Nang happy birthday!
Neng, happy birthday!
May happy birthday! Ang forward ko to sa mga prayer. I-pray mo dito every day.
Happy birthday, Auntie Neneng!
Hello!
Happy birthday, Nanay! Love you! Mwah. Enjoy your new citizenship. Senior citizen. Oh, woo. Discounts! Yay! Stay healthy! Bye-bye!
Knock!
Who's there?
Dalandan!
Dalandan who?
Dan!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday!
Hi Tita, happy 60th birthday. I hope you have a good one, and I hope you have more good birthdays in the future. And you're lucky to have 2 daughters that care for you a lot, that would do things like this just to express their love for you. I hope you stay safe, and I hope they stay safe as well. I know that's one of the most important things for you right now. And I'm so excited to see you again. To see you all again. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ta, Bantam. I would like to wish you a very happy birthday and more blessings to come in your life. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi Tita, happy 60th birthday po. May the Lord bless you with many years to celebrate and I hope you are always happy, healthy, and safe. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Rose! Happy birthday! 60 years old ka na ganyan din agad mapunggan. Congratulations sa dual citizenship mo. Bibird up bit, charot lang. Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Happy 60th birthday sa mami ni Madam Ruby. Siguro, I will say that life starts at 60 ka na eh. So that's something new, but just enjoy. It's just an age, alright? So, thank you so much and happy birthday!
Hi Mom, happy birthday. Thank you so much for imparting us knowledge about basic accounting, and thank you so much for caring the people that you love in your life. God bless. Wish you more birthdays to come still, and hope to see you soon again.
Hi, ma'am! Happy birthday! Thank you sa tanan nga bulig mo sa akon sang una. Hindi lang ikaw naging supervisor ko bila work student sa accounting department, kundi naging ikaduha takaw nga ginikanan. Yung kabig mo ako nga do bata mo man. Kag salamat sa tanan nga bulig kag mga panglaygay mo sa akon. Bisan diyan man ako subong, you always part of my heart. Pray ko, ang wish ko lang sa imo birthday, ma'am, nga tagaan ka pa sang Ginoo sang maayong nga lawas kag more happiness. Once again, happy birthday.
Nanay Ros, happy birthday. I wish nga maging healthy ka per me para mas damo kapag mabuligan kag mapasadya nga iban nga tao. I am so thankful nga nakilala ta ka kag naging nanay-nanay ta ka. For now, keep safe ng tadanay, and I wish nga makaselebrate kita soon, nga maupod kita liwat, upod si Marmar, kag kanay Ruby, si Leia, and may God bless you more. Happy birthday, Nay. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lula. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nanay. Thank you sa pag-love ka na kon, na take care mo ko. I love you.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindutan ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!